our story, we are going to explain. We have two lecturers that will explain it. The lecturers are those people that will depict the existing procedure. And here we have Professor Shola, who is from the University of Ibadan. He will explain all this thing to you. Please welcome Professor Shola on board.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the whole process, the situation on the ground now. So I come in with my laptop. I'm using this as my laptop. And all I try to do go to my URL, that is my domain, where I'm posting.
Can you show the audience your laptop so they can see? Okay.
Can I bring do I have to?
No. Okay.
So,
and the place with the color of your clothes.
So this is my laptop. I go to my domain, put in my username, then my password, so I'm logging. Having done that, having logged in, then I put in my assignment. My course is still 353, and the assignment is rightly stated there. What are the elements within the instructional system? And I also said that they should emphasize how they can interact together cooperatively. Then the submission date is written there. The submission date is 09/03/2010. Then I click 2. So the new teacher comes in.
Thank you. Kind of applause. Yes, this is the new process, and we will demonstrate it practically. In this group, we represent that place as our classroom. We will put it in place at the appropriate time. In the new process, we are going to have a laptop, and this is the laptop. Can you best give me that laptop? Demonstrate it practically. Therefore, I have my laptop as teacher, that a modern teacher, who is introducing this process. Therefore, I will now send my assignment through laptop using Frontline SMS. Immediately I finish capturing the assignment.
Can we see the interface?
Okay.
Yes.
This is it. Immediately I put in the assignment. The assignment that I put here now is that mention 3 teaching methods. 3 teaching methods. Reply with answer through www, and I put it on your phone or computer to respond within 2 weeks. And I put the date. Then I send. And the course title is TEE 353 to the students. All of the students will receive the text message, which is
Don't tell the students. So I want someone to
okay.
play the student.
Yes,
Okay?
the students, they are there. And they have, my students, please.
So can I have the students please on the stage?
Okay, the students on stage.
So students, please show us what they see on their mobile. And right, so can you explain what you receive on your mobile?
Well, I've just gotten a text from my lecturer, teaching course G353, asking, the question is that you mentioned three teaching methods in instructional technique, and so I want to reply using my mobile phone. I don't want to have the options of going just through my SMS or going through the URL. There's a URL here, but I just want to reply through my phone. So I'm taking reply, and I just type my answer and click send.
So you sent you a URL on the phone, but you can't reply before you go to that URL to see the assignment, right?
I'm just replying through SMS using my phone pen.
Okay.
I'm not accessing the URL.
But you're not accessing there?
No.
So you're just replying to the message that you received? Okay.
Sorry, in addition to help in that regard, my students have various ways of response. One of the students, which is student number 1, we can reply through SMS. The second student, we explain the second method of reply. The student number 2, please.
Okay. So I decide that I don't want to respond using SMS. But instead, using my phone, I click on the link that I see on the assignment, and my phone opens an internet page where I can see the question, so you can see it here, and then I have a space where I can type in my own answer. So I type in the answer in the box provided there, and then I click on the submit button, and then the system responds and tells me that my response has been received.
Student number 3.
Yes, thank you. I don't have a handset, but I do have a laptop. So I type the URL, and then the question is there, then I post the
But
answer.
how did you know that he posted? Because they got an SMS telling them that there's a new assignment, right? But how do you know that there's a new assignment?
No, I received the assignment.
So you received it by
Yes. All the
But
students.
his phone cannot.
It's no web, no
So
network
you
coverage.
got an SMS telling him that
Yes.
and then he goes to the laptop.
Yes.
The URL, and then I post my answers, and then I submit.
Students, can you sit down? Now, as the lecturer, I receive the response, i.e. the solution to the assignment, from student number 1, student number 2, student number 3. And as the lecturer, I went through these assignments, moderate it, and the next step is that I summarize, and identify any fault. And I gave a feedback to my students in summarized form. Immediately I summarize it, I will send it to student number 1, student number 2, student number 3, so that they could be able to see where they went wrong.
So you send them individual responses, or you send one summary to all of them?
One summary to all of them, because it's the same assignment that I gave to all of them, and my own answer or solution and correction will have to go to all of them. Therefore, this is the summary. Immediately I finish, I click. After that, there is what we refer to in the class as a feedback from the students. And in this feedback, students, can you please go into the class? Sit down well. Because in Nigeria, we operate the dual mode. This dual mode is that maybe 5 weeks within the year, the students have to come together like this. In this situation, they are now here. And I will now give them the feedback. The other feedback I gave to them, it was through the SMS. Some of these people, because they are not having the opportunity of facing me, who know everything. Therefore, I have to now tell them what they did not know, what they did not understand in my SMS. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I now tell them, you can now ask me questions. Yes. Therefore, when you ask questions in respect of the assignment, I answer. This is the feedback and how we can achieve our schedule. Ladies and gentlemen,